Intrinsic review and bonus. So I have a question for you. Do you know why super affiliates make so many sales as affiliates? It's because they have a buyer's list, and to have a buyer's list you need to sell a product first. Well, today Trevor will show you how to build an instant buyer's list for free without launching a product, and you can become a super affiliate too. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblack.com, and this is my Intrinsic review. Now this is a brilliant method by Trevor Carr. I really like it because he essentially reverse engineered having a buyer's list. Okay, so you can have a list of 1,000 people and it will probably make you like $10 to $50 per promotion. But with a buyer's list, if you have a buyer's list of only 100 people, they will make you $100 easily, simply because they are buyers, simply because they are interested in what you're selling. And until today, building a buyer's list required launching a product, and launching a product can be very complicated. Now you need, first of all, to have the knowledge to create the product. You need to create the sales page, the funnel. You need to have all the connections, you need to get affiliates. It takes a ton of time, ton of skills, and even if you have all these skills and time, maybe you'll not be successful because it's getting tougher and tougher. But again, Trevor will show you how to reverse engineer building a buyer's list, how to build an instant buyer's list for free, and that's the whole premise of this product. Okay, so let me share my screen with you and let me show you everything there is to know about Intrinsic. Okay, so let me share my screen, and as you can see, the headline says, "Stop, I have identified the one thing that can finally get you results. In just 2 years, I have gone from nowhere to consistent 3 and 4 figure days." And it's all down to one thing, and that you're not doing. But the great news is I am about to show you what it is and how you can finally do it. So this is Trevor, this is the guy behind this system, and again, this is something really brilliant. I've never thought about this myself, and no one else is doing this. Okay, so again, you're going to be building a buyer's list instantly for free using free tools, using social media, which you are probably already doing. So Intrinsic, this is the name of the product, and again, this is my Intrinsic review. Scrolling down, this is the type of results that Trevor is getting. So you can see, as you can see, $237 here, $543 here, 247 here, 127 here, 768 right here. So a ton of proof behind this. Obviously he has some testimonials. Trevor, Lance, and Dominique, these are the 3 guys behind this course. You have a 30 days money back guarantee. This is it. This is a very simple premise, very simple course. This is what you will see on the sales page, and on the inside you will see this is the members area. Okay, so again, Intrinsic, as you can see, you will be able to register for a free training webinar. They have a Facebook group included, and it is essentially divided into 5 modules. So first of all, the foundations, then tools and assets, then creation, then Warrior Plus setup, and then the affiliate. So I can't show you everything what's inside. I'm going to show you the first 2 modules. So we have free videos here, and then you're going to be able to click and go to the next modules. I'm just going to explain you how this works in a nutshell. Okay, so every single super affiliate that is a product creator, they have their own buyers list, right? So Trevor found a way for you to essentially copy that buyers list, 100% legal, and all you're going to be doing is just taking these people from these buyers list, putting them on your list, and just hitting them up with promotions. And obviously you have to create value. Trevor will show you how to do it. You have to engage them, etc. So essentially you will be using someone else's buyers list. You're going to be building your own. Once you have that buyers list, you will be able to do 2 things. First of all, you can grab any PLR course, rebrand it, sell it to them, create this ongoing avalanche of sales. So first of all, make money launching your own product, which is a PLR, then make even more sales, build your buyers list even better, and then once you have your buyers list, you will become a super affiliate too, because obviously once you have your buyers list, you can make sales on autopilot. You know, it's super easy to make sales with a buyers list comparing to just a regular list or just social media traffic or whatever the case is. Whatever you're doing, a buyers list is 100 times better and easier to make money with. Okay, so that's essentially it. You're getting an instant buyers list, then you can monetize it in a bunch of different ways. But the key point here is that you will become a super affiliate and you will be making 3 to 4 figures per day. And Trevor will show you exactly how to do it, starting from scratch, then building it up to 4 figures per day. So it's very brilliant. Again, this is reverse engineering a buyers list. I never thought about it. I'm going to actually start doing it. Obviously, I'm launching products of my own, but this is, even if you're already launching products of your own, this is a great way just to add some extra buyers to your list and make even more money. Okay, so this is the inside of the members area. Let's go through all of the upsells right now. Okay, so as you can see, the main product Intrinsic will be $12.95, and this is the early bird price. So make sure to show up early today at 11 a.m. Eastern. I'm recording this on the 26th of June. As you can see, OTO number 1 is $37, and this will be a done for you pack. So done for you campaigns, done for you pages, all that good stuff. Then we have OTO number 2, $47, and this will be, let me check it out. I have it right here on my review. This is Email Ninja, so exclusive training on how to maximize your results with a new email list. So I didn't mention, you know, in the main product, you will start off just with social media, so you don't need an email list. Obviously, if you want to have an email list, you'll make that much more money. But if you want to know everything about building an email list, that's OTO number 2, $47. OTO number 3, license rights, which means that you will be able to sell this product and all of the upsells as your own and keep 100% of the profits to yourself. And then OTO number 4, this is actually $97, and it will be a masterclass, so exclusive collection of training videos. Trevor will essentially show you how to pimp out content so you can create products, bonuses at high value, and this will include previous training and brand new videos by Trevor. Okay, so that's $97. This is actually wrong here. So these are the OTOs. You have 4 OTOs, and obviously OTOs are optional, so you'll be fine with the main product Intrinsic alone. As you can see, everything from A to Z is right there inside. But if you want the done for you to save some time, or maybe the additional email strategies, or if you want to make some extra money with the license rights, then you can by all means pick one of these up. And let me show you my bonuses. Okay, so I showed you all of the OTOs. Let's go through my bonuses right now. So first of all, I'm going to add my exclusive real life case study. Now this is something that is not available for sale, and this will be added as a bonus, and you can get it nowhere else. So this is super exclusive, and you're also getting a bunch of W's of the Day awarded courses. And now these are all my courses, so again, these are not available anywhere else apart of this bonus package. Okay, so we have Rapid Niche Profits, W's of the Day number 1. We have Targeted Traffic Cash Surge, W's of the Day number 2. Fiverr Cash Machine, Newbie Traffic Formula, Easy Profit Secrets, 6 Minutes Profits, Traffic Titan, Facebook Traffic Hack, and Facebook Traffic Enigma. That's a total of 10 bonuses worth $300. And again, this is something super exclusive. No other affiliate will give you these. These are all mine, super exclusive bonuses. You're getting all of these for free, just as a thank you for picking up Intrinsic today through my link. And again, Intrinsic will be going live today on the 26th of June at 11 a.m. Eastern. If you want to pick it up with an early bird, make sure to show up early. You're gonna get all of my bonuses for free, and I really like this product. It's geared towards newbies, and even if you are not a newbie, you will still find a ton of value. I'm going to start doing this myself starting today, so you're going to be seeing me doing a bunch of different stuff on social media. And if you have any questions, you can always leave me a comment below the YouTube video or on my blog. Give it a like as well, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao.